In order to start using Overdrive to download ebooks and audiobooks, you'll need to know your library card number and 4-digit PIN number. If you don't have a library card number handy or you've forgotten your PIN, you can stop into any of Nopal's 3 branches or any branch in Onondaga County in order to get a new library card or reset your PIN number. So the first thing you'll do is navigate to nopal.org, Nopal's website. From here, you can hover over Digital Branch, to Digital Downloads, to Audiobooks, to Overdrive. Once you're on this page, you click Go to the Overdrive catalog. You can bookmark this page for easy access later if you'd like. Next, you'll click Sign In. You'll type in your library card number, followed by your PIN. If you're using a public computer or share a computer with anyone else, you'll just click Sign In. If you're using a private computer, however, and you'd like the browser to remember your card number for next time so you don't have to type it in, you can check this box, but only do this if you're the only person that uses your computer. So now we've clicked Sign In, and we're all set to start browsing.